Hello guys, and welcome to yet another CorelDraw tutorial. In today's video we are going to discuss free transform tool, which is also part of pick tool in CorelDraw. Now, free transform tool lets you transform objects using free rotation, reflection and scaling. So let's get to the screen and see how we can use this tool here, which is free transform. So to demonstrate how we can use this tool, I'll have to draw a small shape here, or to make it even much better, I can get a shape or an image here in the folder that I just shared with you, and I can pick this lady here. Now with this lady we can apply the first effect. So for now I'll get rid of this, and now I'll have this lady here. Now to make everything much cleaner, I'll crop it so that we only have the part that we need. So I'll crop the lady this way, so I only have the part that matters. Now with the lady selected, I'll go to the pick tool right here and then select free transform. Now immediately after selecting free transform, I would like to notice this: the status bar right here changed. Initially you did not have these items here: free rotation, free angle reflection, and free scale, and free skew. These tools appeared because we selected a free transform tool. Now let's get started with the first one, which is free rotation. Now if I click this tool here and get the image and hold any of the nodes, I can rotate the image. Boom, just like that. Okay, now notice with the free transform, the rotation point depend on where I hold the image. For example, if I hold here, the image is being rotated from this point, as you can see. Now basically that's how we use a free transform, and the point that you hold determine the rotation anchor point. Okay, so basically that's how we use a free transform in rotation capacity. Now let's get back to this other tool here, which is free angle reflection. Now again, we can reflect shapes using free transform tool. Now if I click the reflection tool here and then kind of draw a line here, you'll notice that the image has been reflected. Now the reflection is determined by the positioning of the line that you have. Now for you to understand how reflection works, assume you are placing a mirror light here and the image is reflected in the other side. Also notice the facing of the image automatically changes. For example, right now the girl is moving from left to right. If I place a reflection here, she is moving in the opposite direction. So reflection can be used to change direction of objects, and this feature can allow you make several changes in your Corel artwork. Okay, so guys, that's how we can use a free reflection tool in CorelDraw. So let's get to the other tool, which is free scale tool. So free scale tool is yet another important tool in CorelDraw, and what it does, it allows you to kind of make the image bigger or smaller. So right now I'll click this image, this tool here, and as you can see, by holding this part here and dragging it across the screen, the image is becoming either bigger or smaller. So basically that's how we can use a scaling tool in CorelDraw, and actually it is a very amazing tool when you are trying to make random changes while maintaining the proportion of the images. So guys, that's all about our pick tool, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.